Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.3 question number 1. The bar graph given alongside shows the amount of wheat purchased by government during the year 1998 to 2002. Read the bar graph and write down your observations. In which year was the wheat production maximum and in which year the wheat production minimum? Here you see, this is the bar graph 1998. This is 1 unit length is equal to 5000 tons, right? That means 1 unit length, that is this one unit length is 5000 tons. 5000, 10,000, this is 15,000 tons, right? And this is 25,000, this is 20,000, and this is 30,000 tons, right? Now the question is, in which year was the wheat production maximum? Here you see, this is the longest bar and this is 30. That means this is 30,000 tons of wheat production in the year 2002, right? In which year was the wheat production maximum? From the bar graph we can interpret that the maximum height is in 2002, and that is here the unit is 30. That means 30,000 tons. That is the maximum production, right? Therefore, in which year was the wheat production maximum? That is in year 2002. Therefore, the answer will be 2002. In 2002, let us in 2002, right? Let us write the answer. Now, what is the here you see the bar graph, that is here, that is in 2002. This is the longest bar, right? And this is, if we draw a perpendicular here, if we draw a perpendicular, then it is 30,000. Here you see the perpendicular on the vertical line, that is this one. You see, if we draw a perpendicular lines on the vertical line, that you will get 30,000 tons. This is the distance, this is the line, you see, and this one is 30,000 tons, and that is the maximum. Therefore, in which year was the wheat production maximum? That is in 2002, right? That is in 2002. It is in 2002. Next question be, in which year was the wheat production minimum? You have to see the minimum wheat production. You see here that the minimum production is the height of this bar is minimum here, that is this bar. This bar is 15,000 tons. This bar is here, you see, this is 15,000. Therefore, it is 15,000 tons in 1998. In which year was the wheat production minimum? In 1998, right? That is the answer, in 1998. That is 1998. The wheat production as minimum, and that is 15,000 tons, right? And the maximum is 30,000 tons in 2002, and minimum is 15,000 tons in 1998. That is the solution of question number 1.